Hello folks, welcome to my How to Watch channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows updates in very simple and easy way. Open your computer and go to Start on your left down corner, or just press Window bottom on your keyboard and search by typing Turn Automatic Updating on or off. Now you will see choose how Windows can install updates. You can change option below important updates, and you must choose never check for updates, not recommended. Go down below, press OK. Well done. Now you will never be implication with Windows updates. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.